Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again tonight. Okay, we will be checking out the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, and we will be doing that together right away. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you are yet to if you are just joining me for the first time, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading account into something reasonable. Okay, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Miyoka trading indicator. Okay, if you're having it, you can open yours too so that we can do it together. Okay, so quickly, this actually got to the resistance zone and it played around there for a while. It was unable to break out above it, so it started selling, gave us a downtrend signal and of course a sell signal, and of course it has been selling since then. So right now it has gotten to this support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on buy trend, so we should expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it breaks out below that support zone, that is when it's going to sell more. So now let's check out boom 500. This is boom 500. Boom 500 actually got to this resistance zone and it was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend from there, so it has been selling since then. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. It's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, even though there are major pullbacks in between. Okay, but it has gotten to this resistance and it's unable to break out from there, so it is selling at the moment. We need it to break out from this support zone. Of course, it's going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out crash 500. Crash 500 had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance zone, played around there, but broke out above it to get to a new resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it pulled back a bit, and of course it's going to be trying it out again. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend. So for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out from that resistance zone. That is when it will sell. Okay, so the last asset is going to be V75. It started with a downtrend and of course it went for a very long time, got to this support zone and it has not been able to break out from there, so it is buying at the moment. So this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.